Skechers set to be acquired and taken private by 3G Capital in $9 billion deal. Shares jump over 25%. It's buyout news. It's a big one. Skechers is set to be acquired and taken private by 3G Capital in a $9 billion deal. Shares of Skechers jumped over 25% in early trading on Monday after the company said it agreed to be bought out by an investment firm. 3G Capital in a deal valued at nearly $9 billion. 3G Capital, which already owns about 53% of will pay $140 per share in cash in the deal, which values the Manhattan Beach, California-based company at roughly $4.3 billion, including the assumption of debt. The investment firm first disclosed its offer to buy the remaining stake in Skechers back in May. At the time, Skechers said its board had formed a special committee to evaluate the proposal with its financial advisor and legal counsel. In a statement on Monday, the committee said it unanimously approved the agreement with 3G Capital. The deal is expected to close in the third quarter of this year, subject to regulatory approval and other customary closing conditions. For 3G Capital, the deal is the latest in a string of take-private deals that have seen a resurgence in popularity in recent months as interest rates have fallen back from their lofty peaks of last year. Buyouts are typically financed with a combination of equity and debt, and the lower the interest rates are, the more attractive the option becomes for companies looking to go private. 3G Capital did not immediately respond to a request for comment on the deal, nor did a representative for the announcement comes just days after the shoe retailer reported better than expected quarterly earnings. Revenue rose nearly 13% to $1.7 billion in the first quarter, topping estimates of $1.6 billion. In the deal, 3G Capital is offering a premium of about 22% to Skechers' closing stock price on Friday. Skechers shares were up more than 25% at $139.50 around midday on Monday, just shy of the offer price. The stock has gained about 67% over the past 12 months. 3G Capital is a little-known investment firm founded in 2001 by Brazilian billionaire Jorge Paulo Lemann, one of the richest men in the world. The firm typically targets consumer and industrial businesses with enterprise values under $10 billion. Besides Skechers, its portfolio companies include Burger King, Tim Hortons, and The Vitamin Shoppe. So that's all the latest news. And remember, if you want to be up to speed on the latest news, then you should subscribe to our channel.